Hello everyone, my name is Neeru. I am your computer educator. I welcome you all to Shri Rama Bharati Public School online classes. Today we are starting chapter number 4 using mail merge. Let's start it. Firstly, we will discuss when mail merge is required. Sometimes in a business as well as in personal matter, it is required to send letter with similar information to the different people. Sometimes it happens in our daily life. We want to send a particular letter with information is same, but I want to send to the many people. So if I will prepare the letter for all the receivers, all the persons to whom I want to send it, it will take a lot of time to prepare it. So it is a time consuming process to prepare the letter for all recipients individually. Recipients means receivers. So it will take a lot of time to prepare for all. So mail merge. Mail merge is a feature of MS Word that provide the facility to create multiple documents at a time. Mailmer feature of Microsoft Word allows us to create multiple documents at once, such as letter. We can prepare the letter at one time. We can prepare many letters, so it will save our times and effort of retyping the same letter again and again. So no need to retype again and again. We will just prepare one letter by using the mail merge feature. Automatically, many letters will be prepared according to our requirement. So how we will do that? So mail merge involves basically three basic steps. We have to do three basic steps if we want to do the mail merge. First is creating a main document. Creating a main document means firstly we have to create that document, create the letter, create the one letter for those who want to send it. It contains the text that we wish to send to the recipients. It is common for all the recipients. For example, I want to invite my friends on my birthday party. So firstly, I will prepare the main document. Means firstly, I will prepare the letter that will be same for all the recipients. Second one is specifying it data source. Data source means we will create the database where we can store the recipient's details such as his or her name, address, city, etc. So you can see in the diagram, we will create one data source like I will create my friend, my friend detail, name, address, contact number, all these. So what the mail merge will do? You can see in the third step, merging the data source with the main document. So when data source and main document will be merged, then it is called mail merge. Main document, as I have already told you, the message, the letter which we want to send, and the data source is database where all the details like name, address, contact number, city, all the details are in the database. So the next thing is how to use mail merge in Microsoft Word. How we can use it? So what you will do, firstly you will open the Microsoft Word. Then you will go to the mailing tab. Many tabs, many ribbons are there. Home, insert, page layout. So you will go to the mailing tab. In the under this start mail merge group, you will choose the option start mail merge. So when we click on the mailing tab, then we will go to the start mail merge. And when we will click on the start mail merge, you can see here in this diagram, the last option is step by step mail merge. Step by step mail merge, we just click on this option. So there are basically 6 steps to complete the mail merge process. For this process it will take 6 steps to do it. Now firstly we are talking about the step number 1. After clicking on step by step, then steps will start. You can see here step 1. So what it will ask, it will ask what type of document are you working on. Which type of document you want to prepare? We want to just make a letter. Then go to the next option, next starting document. Click on it. After clicking on it, step 2 will come. In this it will ask select starting document. How do you want to set up your letter? Means where you want to create your letter. Use the current document. Which document you have opened recently, you want to use that document for preparing the letter, or you want to take a template, means predefined any template, or you have already made, you want to take it from there. I have chosen use the current document, means which document I have opened. So I will write it here my letter. So just click on the next option, that is select recipients. After clicking on that option, select recipients, you can see here three options will come. Use an existing, select an Outlook contact, type in new list. Means where is your database? It is asking where is your database, where is your recipients list, means receivers list. If you have already made in Excel or anywhere else, so you will choose the use existing list. If you are having in the Outlook contacts, use this. If you have not created till now, you will go to the type in new list. You will go to the type in new list if you have not made till now. When you will click on the type in new list, create button will come. Then we will click on the create button so that we can create our data source. After clicking on the create button, you can see here new address list dialog box will appear. You can see many fields are here: title, first name, last name, company name. According to our requirement, we can fill this. Firstly, we will fill for the first one. After that, we will click on the new entry. Clear? So by the same method, we will just enter the details. After entering the detail, click on OK button. When we click on OK button, a save dialog box, save address list dialog box will appear. Here we will just save my file. So click on the OK button. Then after saving the file, the mail merge recipient dialog box will appear. You can see here the mail merge recipient dialog box is appearing now. For example, we have saved with the one. We have saved with the one name. .mdb is the extension. MDB is Microsoft database. It is automatically saved when you will give any name to the file your database. Then the extension will be provided .mdb. MDB means Microsoft database. If we want to do any modification, we can do any modification like sorting, filtering. After doing that, click on OK button. When clicking on OK button, you can see here step 3 is there. Write your letter. We will just click on that option, write your letter. After that, you can see this dialog box will appear. We will go to the more option. We will go to the more option. When we will click on the more option, you can see here insert merge field. This dialog box will appear. This dialog box will appear. You can see those fields we have already used for entering the records of the person. So same fields names are here. So for example, if we have made that one document, where you want to place it, where you want to place the field, just click from here, click on insert button, then automatically it will be displayed in your main document. For example, I have selected the first name, then insert. You can see here first name is here, then I have selected the last name, then insert, then it will come here. So according to our requirement, we will just choose it, then insert. That will be displayed in our main document. Then we will click on the, after doing that, we will click on the next button, preview your letter. We have already inserted the field. Now we want to see the preview. Here is the button you can see here. This is the next button to see the next record. This is the previous button to see the previous record. For example, I am having 5 records in my data source. So for the next, second, third, fourth, fifth, we will use the next button. And for the previous one, we will use this previous button. After that, we will click on the complete the merge. When we will click on the complete the merge, then you will get the last step, that is step number 6. You can see here there is two options, print and edit individual letter. When you will click on the print option, then that is basically used to take the printout, and you can take this option also. Edit individual letter means we want to create the individual letter. So after clicking on the edit individual letter, you can see here this dialog box will appear, merge to new document. Till now we are having only one letter. If I want to prepare for all the records that are already saved in my data source, so we will choose the option all. For example, I am having 10 records and I want from record number 4 to record number 7. Then we will go to the from option. I will write here 4 to 7. Then we will click on OK button. Then it means how many record will prepare for the fourth record, fifth record, sixth record and seventh record. When we will click on OK button, then these letters will be prepared. So this is our mail merge.